how to say why in Cebuano. Why is ngano. Ngano. Why? Ngano. Why? Ngano. Why? Why did he leave me? Nganong gibiyaan ko niya. I joke. Nalimot ko. Wala day forever. Plus wala pa dyan ka jowa. Gipakilig ra ka niya. Kapait. Jokes aside, there is somebody for someone. Someone out there is for you. Just be patient. God has the right person for you. On the other hand, I don't think somebody like a playboy should have anybody. They don't deserve anyone and they shouldn't have anyone. To all the good girls out there, you're feeling a little lonely and you see your classmates in second grade, they're getting married, they have kids, they're in a relationship, etc., etc., and you're feeling all left out. Don't get into a relationship just because of pressure and because everybody else is. I have a unique situation where I can wait, where I don't need it right now. I don't need a relationship and I'm not looking for one, but I know that most girls are not like me. This is like a rare situation. But girls, if you're looking for something significant, if you're looking for marriage, to have something permanent, look for a man of God. I'm not talking just about any God. I'm talking about Jesus, a man of Jesus Christ. He will treat you well. He will treat your kids well. And he will be a father to them. And he will draw you closer to God. Why in Cebuano is ngano. Ngano. Why? Ngano. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Head on over to Rumble, Firebrand Media. And also, you can check us out on Facebook. It's Firebrand Girls. Make sure to leave a comment below. Make sure to leave a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time.